Hey, what's up? We're here again to see what we are working on this week. To start off, we have 2 window tints that we did earlier this morning. We also have a Dodge Caravan that does window cleaning. We did design, print, and install all in-house right here. Really quick, simple install. We also have here a Denali that we did full front end clear bra, blacked out the wheels, the chrome trim, and then we did ceramic coating on top of the rest of the vehicle. We also have an Impala that was done with a brush wrap here. They got a little accident, so we're replacing the rear bumper. We have a Range Rover here we did about a few years ago, just back for some touch up. With full matte clear bra, plus gloss black accents with black wheels. Another Cadillac that we did full matte clear bra on, just back for some cleanup. What else do we have over here? We have a Tesla Roadster that we removed old clear bra on, and we're doing a full paint correction plus matte clear bra on that. This was the one that was shipped from Colorado. We have not started on it yet. That's going to get started very soon here. We have this Porsche here, also from last week. We're waiting for material to do door jams and just clean up. I have another Porsche here that's getting a full body clear bra, also ceramic coating. Z01 got coated last year, deciding to remove all the coating and do a full body clear bra, then coating on top. We also have a Subaru that's getting headlight, tail light tint. I believe we got window tint from us already. Also this G8 that was carried on from last week, we're just doing the final touches. Brand new M5 competition, full front end clear bra, even with the grills and all the black accents. Keys auto glass, we did just really simple basic white decals for him. White Model Y, also got a full front end waiting for pickup, full body clear bra, brand new emblems, headlights, mirrors, all that is all covered. We have a Sea-Doo brand new jet ski that's getting a full printed wrap. You'll probably be seeing in the next few weeks here. Got to check out this Supra. So we did this Supra here with Stek carbon fiber. It's not a wrap. It's a clear bra, and it's coated. We tinted it, but it's everything. The whole works on the taillight tint. Look at this. This is clear bra. Don't have to worry about scratching. Look at this. You will not do that with any other vehicle or wrap. It's here. He curbed his wheel, so we're fixing his wheel. And we have another Escalade here that's doing full chrome delete, getting rid of all the chrome, get the grills out at paint. And then let's see what we have inside here. Range Rover that was outside here. Obviously the GTR from last week, we're just finishing up. We just got these panels repainted. They were pretty beat up, so we're gonna wrap that. That's gonna leave this week. Gladiator, full front end, clear bra. Removed all the old stickers. Ordered new ones, putting it back on. In the process of getting ceramic coating. Viper is done. Just waiting for window tint, and that's leaving this week. That was also ceramic coated. This is a Model 3 that I don't even know. We have so many Teslas in here, we don't know. They got front end clear bra, plus paint correction and ceramic pro gold. Also a new one this week, we have a McLaren that we're doing a clear bra, rope wrap, gloss back, and then window tint. And then we actually ordered and installed this carbon fiber spoiler. It took about 2 months to get this spoiler all installed. We have a brand new GT 500. We removed all the racing stripes, the white racing stripes. We're gonna do a full body clear bra and then put brand new stripes back on. And now also getting coating after and window tint. We have a Model Y that we did full matte clear bra on. Now it's back for window tint. brand new X7, carried out from last week. Full front end clear bra, got tint done. Now it's gonna go right into the ceramic pro, get coating. This is the one that was outside. Another model line, getting full gloss clear bra. As you can see, we remove all this trim so that we can tuck everything so it's seamless. There's no short edges. Cameras will come off. We also have a Z06 also from last week that we're finishing up. Full body clear bra, getting window tint and ceramic coating after. Another Tesla, of course, black. Getting a full body clear bra plus ceramic coating. This Model X here is getting chrome delete, headlight, taillight tint, and window tint. Durango from also last week, just finishing up. Did full body clear bra, getting coating, tint, red accents, and then now it's getting wheels off package, ceramic coating. And then this AMG was just caliper paint and lime green. That's all that's getting. I think that's all we have for as of right now. I'll see you guys next week.